ఆయన పిలిచేద్దాం ఒకసారి స్టేజ్ మీదకి.
ఏది?
అటు మెగాస్టార్ గారు, పవర్ స్టార్ గారి పాటలతో మనందరినీ ఎంటర్టైన్ చేసినటువంటి ఆ సింగర్
బాబా సైగల్,
ఈ హుక్ స్టెప్ సాంగ్ కి పాడినటువంటి సింగర్, ఇన్వైటింగ్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్ ఆర్ బాబా సైగల్ గారు. ఓ
నైస్
అసలు
డ్రెస్ సార్.
బాబా సైగల్ గారు నా గ్లామర్ ఎప్పటికీ తగ్గదు. మా ఇద్దరిది సేమ్ గ్లామర్.
ఆయనతో పోలిక ఏంటండి?
అసలు చూడండి ఆ గ్లామర్ చూడండి అసలు అయింది. ఆయన గ్లామర్ నా గ్లామర్ సేమ్ టు సేమ్.
అవును.
యా
వావ్, నైస్ అవుట్ఫిట్ సార్.
బాబాజీ, such a long time seeing you. A very hearty
Long
welcome to
time.
you. Yes.
Long time.
Yes.
Andarki namaskaram. After many years, first of all, a small little speech. Thank you first of all, Anil Garu. And this song I'm singing for Chiranjeevi Garu after 29 years from Riksha Vodu, Roop Tera Mastana, and 29 years. So I don't expect another 29 years later I sing for you. It's better 2 years or 2 months or maybe 2 days. It's an amazing opportunity, amazing film for me, and I have a very small role in this film, but I'm so happy to be a part of this mega blockbuster. And thank you, Mr. Venkatesh Garu, also, and to be part. I've met you a couple of times at IPL, and I'm meeting you personally after so many years. And thank you, everyone. Thank you, all the Telugu audience, because you are amazing, and because of you, I'm still alive here in this entertainment industry. Thank you once again to you all. And thank you, Bheems Garu. I think he's not here today. So he's making music. Okay, another blockbuster from Bheems Garu. So what am I supposed to do? Suma, please, you're required on stage.
Oh my God.
You were supposed-
Beams గారు రాలేదని నన్ను పిలుస్తున్నారా?
You were asking me something about this red thing.
Yeah.
No, you were looking as usual very handsome.
No,
That's all.
because I read.
Huh?
I read.
You read?
If you wear red,
If you wear red.
then you can go to bed, and on the pillow you can keep your head.
After listening to this, I am dead.
That's why I'm wearing red.
It's very good. Thank you, sir.
But I hope everybody lives, nobody is dead. Thank you, guys. What am I supposed to do here?
A song, please.
Song, okay.
Yeah.
So where is the track?
Track.
Only short, sir. No
అక్కడ
track.
ట్రాక్
I want everybody out here, of course. I am little loud on stage, so please don't mind Chiranjeevi Garu. मैं थोड़ा loud हो जाता हूँ. I get overexcited, not from now, from the last 3 decades in this industry. So I may come to you. I do not know the full lyrics of the song, but still it's a +1 track. And I would like to come to you also. And I want Anil Garu, when you should do some step. Please don't mind if I come there. Thank you so much. Let the excitement roll in, guys, for Sankranti 12, the movie is releasing. Everybody should go there and watch this film, because particularly this song, where I've sung this song is awesome, man. You know what I'm saying? Say yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah, B.
Anil Garu, can you want to join me on stage? Please.
అనిల్ గారు.
Yes.
Anil Garu.
Come on.
Anil Garu, please. Side, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a big hand of applause for Mr. Anil.
Anil garu turning to be a singer too.
Thank you once again. Thank you.
అండ్ కోరస్
అన్న స్టెప్ అన్న, ఒక్క స్టెప్ అన్న.
అదే బాబా గారితో పాటే.
ఓకే.